Hi everybody, as you can tell by the title, I finally received my first Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club package in the mail. Too bad we weren't rolling the film a little earlier. I went like that with it and there was a big, huge honking spider on it. Freaked me out. I'm like, we're ready to hit record and hadn't started yet, and it was like, ah, spider! Oh my god, I wonder if it came all the way from Texas. Texan spider. Anyway, I don't know if you guys know about this, but you might have seen it on Facebook. It's been advertised, like, there's, Facebook things that pop up, and so this was called Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club, and they had a thing that if you applied the offer code SPRING, you got it for $1.99 plus your shipping. And it's regularly $19.99. So once again, I'm Canadian, it's American, so here's what I ended up paying. It was originally $19.99. I got a discount of $18 by using that code. So that was $1.99 plus $6.95 postage and processing. And due to the American-Canadian exchange rate, I ended up paying $13 Canadian for this. So, just got it out of the mailbox and went to the gas station to get some gas for the lawnmower. So Honey Liver was filling up the gas tank and I was there and I was looking at it. So already I'm disappointed. I shouldn't have read anything because this is, on the front of it is the customs declaration. They categorized it as a gift. And they wrote, Crochet Knitting Stitch Guide, Learn as Stitch Dishcloths. So they put the total down as being the value of $2. And yeah, so I'm already disappointed. I haven't even cracked into it. Oh, and so anyway, I ordered this on April 24th. No, April 26th. I ordered it and they took my credit card information and took my money. And it's 4 weeks later. Today's May 22nd. So it's taken 4 weeks to get here. And when I just emailed them last night saying, how long does it take? And they said, oh, because you're in Canada, it could take anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. It's coming from Texas. I got my ice yarn in, 5 days? And that's coming from
Turkey.
From Turkey. So go figure. It takes a month to send something to Ontario, Canada from Texas? I don't think so. So yeah, here's my invoice. I know, you want me to open this package, don't you? Get to it, lady! Welcome. Oh, yeah. Oh, so inside it says, it's my invoice, right? And so it says Crochet Knitting Stitch Guide, $9.99. And then Learn a Stitch Dishcloths. Anyway, what's this? A credit applied, $9.39. Credit applied. Total due, $0. I don't know what that. Dear Lisa, thank you for subscribing to Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. Here is your first shipment! Exclamation mark. They're excited. We hope you will get as much enjoyment from the gorgeous original projects in this series as we did when we created them! Exclamation mark. Please take a moment to check your name and address as they appear on the form above. If you find an error, mark the corrections and return the form to us with your payment. Your satisfaction is very important to us. We appreciate the opportunity to serve you. Sincerely, Annie. Okie dokie, let's crack into this thing. Here she is. See what we got going on here. Well, at least it came with a free spider. He's outside now. He's outside. I didn't squish him because I was like searching for something to squish him with. But he looked like he was gonna jump and bite me and eat me, and he's big. Oh, now I'm scared about spiders. All right, let's see what we have. Oh, so here's my $9.99 American crochet knitting stitch guide. I paid $9.99 for this, or I would have if I didn't, if I didn't enter that spring code. So it gives you your stitches. Information. Yarn, which I'm sorry, but I can get all this information for free online. But I mean, sure, it's great to have somebody else print it off. Yeah, that's fun. That's great. Is that still rolling?
Yeah.
Anyway, so this is $9.99 American money, which is what, Canadian? I don't know, probably $15. I'm over this. Okay, let's get into her. Learn a stitch dishcloths. Are you kidding me? Please. This is originally, okay, without that code, you would have paid $19.99. $20 plus $6.95 for postage and processing. So $27 for a Learn a Stitch dishcloths. And what did I get? I got 3 balls of Premier cotton, 3 balls. Feels like, well, where's my, can you hand me that pink ball over there on the couch? Actually it has a bit more of a, it has a bit of a softer, yeah, this is really scratchy, like, not scratchy, but coarse, and this is the Bernay cotton. So it does have a bit of a, yeah, a bit of a softer feel. So, Premier Home Cotton. It's pretty though. Yeah. So this is 105 yards. 105. So 315 yards. It's a cotton blended with polyester, which means projects stay brighter, dry faster, and last longer, according to them. And it's a medium 4. Oh, it's made in Turkey. Ha ha ha. Premier Yarns from Harrisburg, North Carolina. Made in Turkey. Well, isn't that funny? So you know what? Yeah, this is a softer. I've only ever worked with Bernay Handcrafter cotton. I'm probably saying that word wrong. I say Bernay. B-E-R-N-A-T. I say Bernay. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. So here are my colors. Oh, do they have a color on it? Is this called anything? There's that color. This one is an orange, and it's got like a muted color orange. This is oh, what's that color called? What's that color called? And then this is a lime green. What is this color blue called?
Robin's egg?
Robin's egg blue, yeah.
Maybe a little darker than robin's egg.
Yeah, no, but what's that word? Not teal. Is it teal?
Aqua.
There's a word for this color. It'll come to me once I shut the film off. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay, here we go. This color is called Ocean Splash. Ooh, Ocean Splash. This one is called Tangerine Splash. And this one, let me guess. I'm going to guess this is called Lime Splash. That's my guess. What's your guess? What's your guess? What do you think this one is called? I'm going with Lime Splash. That's my guess. What's your guess, honey lover? If this is ocean, right? Ocean Splash, Tangerine Splash, and
Grasshopper splash.
or what's that other avocado or kiwi. Yeah, but I'm gonna go with my original. What did I say? Lime. I'm gonna go Lime Splash. Oh. Give up? Honeydew Splash. Oh, because it does look like that color. So, yeah, am I excited? No, I'm not. And then what's this? Here's your booklet on crochet eyelet stitch dishcloth and the ribbed stitch dishcloth. That's it. Oh, and the eyelet stitch dishcloth and the seed stitch dishcloth. Yeah, so you get those. So there's the thing there. If you guys are interested, there you have it. That's the Annie's hook and needle. So anyway, I am so after I placed my order, then a week later I went, oh, I better cancel. Because you know it's a monthly thing, right? And I just wanted to try out the $1.99 thing, which ended up costing me $13 Canadian. But anyway, so $13. Oh my God, that's so expensive. These are the Bernay stuff. How much is in a Bernay thing? Is there a Bernay one over there? I forget.
Give me handy.
The Bernay, shit, how much? Yeah, here we go. So a Bernay handcrafter cotton has how many? 80 yards. So 80 yards. And what's this one? 105. These are $1.99 Canadian. So I paid $13 divided into 3 is how much? I paid like $4, right?
30 cents.
Huh?
$4.30.
I paid $4.30 for each one of these balls, and the balls are, like I said, 105 yards. Oh, but wait. I paid $9.95 American for this. How many pages is it? 7. 7 pages. Aren't I a lucky girl? So pretty, yes, la la la. I don't know. I'm not going to waste it on dishcloths, I don't think. I think I'm going to make some of the Ricola has the Ravelry make a bag thing. Which actually I just started one in my handcrafter cotton. So maybe I will make some more shopping bags out of this. For that amount of money, I'm not washing my bum. Take that out. No. But anyway, yeehaw. Fail. $13. Fail. And it took 4 weeks to get here. Fail. Okay. So if you want to order and try your hand, go ahead. I wouldn't recommend it, especially if you live in Canada. Okay, yeah, they have a whole bunch on there. They have crochet, knits, and then they got other clubs too there. But I'm done. I'm over it. Okay, cheerio. I don't know why I said that. Okay, bye. Thanks for stopping by.